just before we have discussed about positive clipper. What will be the output waveform, that and all we have discussed in the positive clipper. Now we shall discuss about active negative clipper. Negative clipper. Okay. The only difference between the positive clipper and negative clipper is this diode. In the positive clipper, the diode will be connected like this. You would have seen the diode will be connected like this. And in the negative clipper, in the opposite direction, like this. This is NP and this is PN diode. Okay. The same circuit diagram. Here a potentiometer is connected to the supply. Then this potentiometer reference voltage is connected to the cathode and output of the op amp is connected to the anode of the PN diode. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram. Okay. Now what this negative clipper does? When the output voltage is lesser than the reference voltage, the negative portion, this works in the negative half cycle. This negative clipper works in the negative half cycle. Therefore, when this is output voltage is lesser than the reference voltage, this portion is clipped off. So, what will be the output voltage? This will be the output voltage. If this is the reference voltage. Okay? When this is the reference voltage means the output voltage will be like this. Can you understand what I am saying? This is the input signal. You are giving the input waveform a sinusoidal input. This is a sinusoidal input, and you fix the reference voltage. This reference voltage determines how much level should be clipped off in the output waveform. This reference voltage only determines the level of the clipping, both in the positive clipper and in the negative clipper. Okay. Now we shall go how this circuit works. Now when the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, then V plus is greater than V negative, and at this position the diode conducts. That means this is in the closed loop configuration. As I said below, this is the closed loop configuration. Okay. When in the closed loop configuration, the output signal, that is output, follows the input signal. The op amp acts as the voltage follower until VA is greater than V reference. Okay. Can you follow me? When the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, the op amp acts as the voltage follower until VA greater than V reference, and the output voltage of the op amp goes to positive saturation. This circuit acts as a closed loop configuration. Okay. Now, next we shall go for when VA is lesser than the reference voltage. When VA is lesser than the reference voltage, obviously the diode is cut off, and this circuit acts as a open loop configuration like this. As I said in the positive clipper circuit, this acts as the open loop configuration like this, and the output voltage equal to what? The reference voltage, that is this one. Output voltage is the reference voltage. Okay. Now this is the input voltage waveform. The portion to be clipped, we give the reference voltage as you say the voltage is some reference voltage, when the input voltage 50 volt, reference voltage 10 volts or something like that. The portion will be after lesser than output lesser than VO lesser than reference voltage will be clipped off, and output voltage will be like this. Okay. So this reference voltage determines the clipping level for both the positive and negative clipper. Next we shall go for, and this is the output waveform. Desired output waveform. When the V reference is positive, the entire output waveform below the V reference is clipped off. In the positive clipper, we have seen when the reference voltage is negative, the entire waveform, output voltage waveform is clipped off, and you will be getting dash, no output. But here, when the V reference voltage is positive, the entire output waveform below V reference is clipped off, and the output voltage is straight line. This circuit we shall design using multi-sim network or using MATLAB Simulink model, and we shall set the voltage as 15 volts, potentiometer 10 kilo ohm, resistor, varying the resistor. We can set the reference voltage, we can give the input sinusoidal waveform, and we can obtain the output clipped positive or negative clipper waveform. Okay. The next session we shall discuss another topic.